Hello everyone, welcome to Julijetek tutorials. Today we'll be looking at the app called Canva. Canva is a very simple online tool that is user-friendly. It can help you create beautiful graphic and video content easily, and you do not need to be a professional graphic designer. As you can see, Canva can be used to create social media posts, video, can be used to edit your photo, you can use it for presentation, it can also be used to create Instagram posts, flyers, presentations, logos, and videos. And like I said earlier, you do not need to be a professional graphic designer for you to be able to do that. And Canva provides many ready-made templates, fonts, photos, icons, colors that users can choose from to create very attractive design easily. And it can be used on your phone, just like I'm doing right now. You can also use it on your tablet and on your computer. Canva is user-friendly because it is easy to navigate. As you can see on my Canva, you can see at the bottom we have create icon, we have your designs. That is where all your designs are saved. If, for example, you design a flyer, that's where you get all your design. And then template, like you said, Canva has many ready-made templates that you can choose from, any of it. And there's a search bar that you can search any templates that you want to design. And then we have the more icon. Under the more icon, we have brand, Canva AI, apps, approval, group, design school, and then trash. That whatever you do need, you can trash it is there. Or brand. Brand can help you to create your personal brand logo, color, fonts, brand voice, photos, graphics, the icons, and the charts. So you don't need to go and start looking for a perfect color for you to use every time you want to design something for your brand. And then we have Canva AI. Canva AI helps you to create AI photo and videos, just like every other AI app that we know. So you can see here we have design, image, document code, and video clip. What you just need to do is describe whatever idea you have, just put in your prompt, and Canva will create it for you. Then we also have apps. There are a lot of apps in Canva that you can use to work. All you just need to do is pick on any one of them and then you get to work. We also have the approvers, like I mentioned. You can use it as a team. You can use it individually. You can also use it to create until what you just need to do is connect your accounts to it. Like, for example, you see on top it says create ads. You just need to connect your ad account and just keep working. How do I download Canva on my phone? First of all, I think we need to know that we've gone through Canva. We've seen what it has, the templates, your design. But how do I download Canva on my phone? For me to be able to download Canva on my phone, I'll go to Play Store. And under Play Store, what I just need to do is I'll click on the search bar. I'll search for Canva. This is the icon. I already have it on my phone, so I just need to click open. But for someone who doesn't have it, you need to download it, and after download, you install. That's what you need to do when you want to use Canva on your phone the first time. And you can also use it from the browser canva.com. All you just need to do is go to any browser of your choice, type in canva.com, and you're good to go. I need to mention this. Canva has the free version and the pro version. When I say the pro version means that some of the icons, some of the templates are not free. You have to pay for you to be able to use them. But for the free version, you can use them whenever you want, however you like. But the good news is Canva has a lot of free templates that you can use from. A lot. When I say a lot, I mean a lot of free templates that you can use for the icons, the photos, the pictures, what have you, a lot of it. Let's just try to design something today before we go. And let's say we want to design a flyer, for a business owner who wants to sell let's just look for a logo, a template that is free, that we can work on. But take note, these templates with the crown icon on it shows that they are paid, they are the pro version. You need to pay for you to be able to use it. It has the weekly and the monthly subscription, also the yearly subscription. So it depends on what you want to use Canva for. You need to pay. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to use it for the AI Canva, you need to pay for you to be able to use it. But first, let's just try to do something simple with one of its free templates. Okay, let's try this. You can either create from scratch or you can create using their already made template. Now, when creating a template or working on a template, there are things you need to know. Under you have elements. Under the elements, that is where you can come to search for pictures of your choice. For example, you can see that in this template we have some pictures. If you want to change them, you can come to elements, change them. Then the text, that's where you can get different fonts of text, different pattern of text that you can use. Yes, and some of these texts also have pro version and free version. Then this is my gallery. In case I want to upload any picture that I don't want to use from the Canva elements tools, I can use from my own gallery. All I just need is to upload it. We'll get there. So let's work on something first. Let's just work on this flyer that's talking about a special promo. Let's say you want to create a flyer for your brand and you're having a special promo and you sell jewelry. Or let's say you sell hair or whatever you do. Let's just work with this template that we have in front of us. Let's say you want to create a flyer and probably your brand color is, should we say purple? Yes, let's say purple. Now you just need to come here, click on the whole background, select it. If you are not able to do that, you can come to layers. You see the different parts of these templates. As you can see here, different parts to this template. Just click on it. All you need to do is click on that and then click on color. You can click on this arrow here. It will show you all shades of the color that was used. So let's say you're working with the color purple. That's your brand color. We've changed that successfully. And then we want to also work on the font. You want to change it. You want to be able to put your business name. You can click on this. And one good thing about Canva is, like I said, it is user friendly. You can just duplicate this. You see, you'll be able to move your text around. Duplicate this, move this down. Let's say you want to add your business name. Let's say your business name is jewelries. You see, that's it. And then you want to change the color of the text. All you just need to do is click on it, come to text color. You want to use a color that is very close to the one on the background. We can just use this. You can see it's not showing. So we need to use a color that will really, really pop out. I think they just stick to the white. The white makes it better. Good. Jay's Jewelry. That's your brand name. Special promo. Okay, let's reduce this. We can take it to this side. Good. Yes. So this is a bit. We can change the font. Make it thicker. Let's use this leaks pattern, for example, to make it good, to make it bold. That's fine. Good. Says get exclusive offers on your first purchase. Unveil your unique style with our bespoke jewelry collection. Yes, if you don't want to change that, that's fine. It depends on you. You may want to change it, you may not want to change it. And then let's say you're doing 50% discount. 50%. 50% off. Yes, there you have it. Okay, let's change the box. For us to be able to select the box to change the color, what we just need to do is we'll come to layers, click on this. You see, you've been able to select the box. Let's work on the color of the box. Now that we've successfully selected it, let's find the color. Okay, this is fine, I guess. Yes, it's close to it. This is fine. Let's work with that. And then if you notice, you see that under there is a website, you just need to click on it, and then you delete. That's it. Then if you want to change the pictures or the border by the side, just come to this stroke has a color. Let's just change it. Let's change the colors of all the stroke. Good. I think we are good to go. Good. We've been able to change that. You see? We're good to go. If you want to leave these pictures, you can, but let's replace it and see what we can do with it. So all we need to do is go to elements. Under element, you can search for image of jewelry. Good. Here we have it. Good. Let's see all. We are looking for the ones that are free because we are working with free version. So everything we want to use should be free. Okay, this is free. We can use it to replace this. Okay, use it to replace this. This is fine. Then for us to be able to replace that, let's also go to element. Do the same thing. Look for image that is free. Okay, I guess this is fine. Good. There we have it. Then let's change this also. We'll go to elements. Come here. We're still using the image of jewelry. We're looking for free version since we're working with the free version of Canva. I think this. Okay, let's look for something really. Okay, this is fine. Yes, here we have it. So Jay's Jewelry Special Promo. Discount up to 50% off. Shop now. Now let's highlight this shop now because we really want that to pop up. Let's change the font to something darker. Let's use this also. And then we can also increase the size. Okay, this is fine. Yes. Good. Here we have it. Jay's Jewelry Special Promo. Get exclusive offers on your first purchase and feel your unique style with our bespoke jewelry collection. So we've been able to change some things on this template. That's how you create a simple flyer for your business. I guess it's easy for us to use. Like I said, under this when waiting, we have your template element text where we changed our text, gallery where you can change your pictures and many more. magic media and the background if we want to change our background and all of that. So let's go and look for what we just designed. Good thing about Canva is whatever you design, it automatically saves. This is it. How do I save what I have designed? Okay, I just need to click on it. This is what we've designed. Yes. All I just need to do for me to be able to have it on my phone and to share it, I just need to click on this arrow up here, the one facing up. Click on it. Click on download. Click on download. It's on PNG. Always leave it at PNG, please. And then you click on download. Our design is coming up, preparing your design. It's making the magic happen. Yeah, it is. So for me to be able to get this, I can check my gallery and then I'll see what I have designed on my phone, and I'll be able to share it on my WhatsApp status, on my Instagram, share it to friends and all of that. So that is it. Thank you very much. Today we've been able to talk about what Canva is. We said Canva is a simple online graphic design tool that you can use to create visual content easily, like we just did now. We've been able to create a simple flyer for Jay's jewelry, and this you can use, like I said, it's user friendly. You don't need to be a professional for you to be able to do what we just did now. That's how to use Canva. You can download the app on your phone, like I showed. You can download the app on your phone, or you can use it directly from your browser if you want to. Canva.com. All you just need to do is just register for it using your email. The process of downloading, you to tell you email address you want to use. And that's how you go about it. And that's how you can see here, I have mine registered with my email address. So that's all you need to do to use Canva. On our next class, we'll be talking more on Canva, best fonts that you can use for Canva. Thank you very much. See you in our next class.